Good morning, all. Today's our topic is ecological pyramids. The trophic structure of an ecosystem can be indicated by means of ecological pyramid. At each step in the food chain, a considerable fraction of the potential energy is lost as heat. As a result, organisms in each trophic level pass on lesser energy to the next trophic level that can actually receive. This limits the number of steps in any food chain to 4 or 5. Longer the food chain, the lesser energy is available for final members. Because of this tapering of available energy in the food chain, a pyramid is formed that is known as ecological pyramid. The higher the step in the ecological pyramid, the lower will be the number of individuals and the larger their size. The idea of ecological pyramid was advanced by C.E. Elton. There are different types of ecological pyramid. In each ecological pyramid, producer level forms the base and successive level make up to the apex. Three types of pyramidal relations may be found among the organism at different level in the ecosystem. These are as follows: pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass. Biomass means the weight of living organism, and pyramid of energy. And pyramid of energy. First, pyramid of number depict the number of individual in producers and in different orders of consumers in an ecosystem. The base of pyramid is represented by producer, which are the most abundant. In the successive level of consumers, the number of organisms goes on decreasing rapidly until there are a few carnivores. The pyramid of number of an ecosystem indicates that the producers are ingested in large numbers by smaller numbers of primary consumers. These primary consumers are eaten by a relatively smaller number of secondary consumers, and these secondary consumers in turn are consumed by only a few tertiary consumers. This we can see this type of pyramid is best presented by taking an example of lake ecosystem. In this type of pyramid, the base trophic level is occupied by alga, diatoms and other hydrophytes, which are most abundant. So the number are more than. At the second trophic level come the herbivorous or zooplankton, which are lesser in number than producer. Okay. The third trophic level is occupied by carnivorous, are still smaller in number than the herbivorous. The top occupied by a few top carnivorous. Thus, in the ecological pyramid of number, there is a relative reduction in numbers of organisms and an increase in the size of body from base to apex of the pyramid. Now, pyramid of biomass of organism. Okay, the living weight of biomass of the members of the food chain present at any one time form the pyramid of biomass of organism. This indicates by weight or other means of measuring materials the total bulk of organism or fixed energy present at one time. Pyramid of biomass indicates the decrease of biomass in each trophic level from base to apex. Example, total biomass of producer is more than total biomass of the herbivorous. Likewise, the total biomass of secondary consumer will be lesser than that of herbivorous, and so on. Since some energy and material are lost in each successive level, the total mass supported at each level is limited by the rate at which the energy is being stored below. This usually gives a sloping pyramid for most of the communities in the terrestrial and shallow water ecosystem. The pyramid of biomass in a pond ecosystem will be inverted. We can see here, and this is the example of grassland ecosystem for the biomass. Grassland weight are more, then the weight of herbivorous is less, and the top carnivorous versus weight is very less. In the pond ecosystem, in the inverted pyramid of biomass is here. There's more mass at the top level of carnivorous. This is the grassland and cultivation field, and this is parasitic ecosystem. So the number of parasite is more but the mass is less than the low carnivorous. Number is more but mass is less. Number is more, mass is higher, and the top level mass is highest. In the grassland ecosystem and cultivation field, there are less mass as we go on the top or apex. Pyramid of energy, it's always seen straight pyramid are always seen here, because there is always 10% loss of energy at each level, and the top level have less energy, which we discussed earlier in the energy cycle of ecosystem. Thank you for patience.